Hey guys, there is really quick video about how you should prepare your motorcycle, or how you should to put or pack the luggage on a motorcycle if you're going for a long trip. And the reason why I want to talk about it, because sometimes if motorcycle is not packed properly, you can experience more fatigue while riding this motorcycle. And the reason for that is because your body will compensate the weight which is goes on one side or another. And that's what I mean. So basically what you want to do when you pack your motorcycle for a long journey, you want to load the middle of the motorcycle first. So that's where you sit, that's where your passenger sits. And if there is no passenger, ideally you can put some bag with the most heavy stuff here instead of the passenger. You have a top case, you put some luggage here, and then if you're have a tank bag, for example, like on this motorcycle, you can also put some small things into the tank bag here. In this case, like your middle of the motorcycle is equally loaded, right? More lighter stuff, but maybe the stuff with more volume but lighter, you can put into the side cases. Here on a Tracer you have similar size of the boxes, so they're basically symmetrical. But on some motorcycles they are not, especially on adventure type of motorcycles, because they usually have this exhaust system goes on this side. So right side box is a little bit slimmer, and the left side box is usually a little bit wider. And what you want to do there, you want to load more heavier stuff to the right, but the one which takes less volume, and the stuff which takes more volume but less weight to the left side. So in this case you sort of compensate volume versus weight. But ideally what you have to do is to make sure that on both sides you have equal load, because when you spend a lot of time on the motorcycle, and especially if you go for a long trip, so your body will constantly try to compensate that bikes is try to lean to the certain side. And if you spend like few times on the road like this, you will feel tired, you know. You don't really want that one side will be more heavier than another one, because that's basically will impact the way how comfortable your entire trip will be. If you don't have top case, because some motorcycles they only have side cases, so as I mentioned, try to put the most heavier part here on the passenger seat, because that will be again your center mass. Yeah, that will be probably the best solution. Let me know guys if you have any other questions, or if you have different experience, or if there is anything I'm missing. I will be happy to hear, and leave them in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.